Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today, we're diving into the essential skill of sewing buttonholes. In this tutorial I will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To sew a buttonhole, you'll need a few things. The buttonhole foot, typically included with your sewing machine. The button you want the buttonhole for. And a piece of test fabric for practice. Begin by attaching the buttonhole foot to your sewing machine. It usually comes with your machine and looks something like this. Using the red lines on the buttonhole foot as a guide, measure how big or small you want your buttonhole to be against the actual button you'll be using. Position your test fabric under the foot, ensuring you've measured and marked where you want the buttonhole to be. Set your sewing machine to the buttonhole stitch. In this case, the machine has 3 steps, each enumerated. To start making the buttonhole, set the stitch to the first step. Now, you have to set the length anywhere from 0 to 1. Double-check your foot placement and begin sewing. Switching to step 2. Switching to step 3 and continue sewing. This is where you can see the buttonhole taking shape. Stop when the stitches on the right and left are the same length. Finish closing the buttonhole by switching to step 4, which is the same as step 2. Raise the foot and cut off the excess threads. Now, using a seam ripper, carefully create the hole in the buttonhole. Be extra cautious not to damage your fabric. And there you have it. Your buttonhole is now ready, looking something like this. Thank you for watching. Remember to check out our website and social media channels for more tutorials and sewing patterns. Happy sewing!